I just got back from Middleton, Wisconsin, where I was checking in on the repair status of the AOPA Sweepstakes Aviat Husky. Now, you may recall that the aircraft was damaged last summer in a ground loop on the way to EAA AirVenture. And in fact, the last time you saw the aircraft, it was disassembled and loaded on a trailer, and it was being transported from Carroll County Airport in Ohio to Capital Flight in Wisconsin. Now, Capital Flight is an Aviat authorized Husky service center, and they're going to be repairing the aircraft to factory new condition. Director of Maintenance Al Checky gives us an update on how the repairs are coming along.
So far, we've completed a new firewall installation, new left landing gear installation, new bungee cords, a few belly stringers, some new skins are ready to pop on next. We just hung the left wing on yesterday, and this morning we just put on the right wing. So it's a brand new left wing, left aileron. Wingtip will be all new. We had 4 guys, 1 guy in each corner of the wing. And initially the wing is inserted with taper alignment pins and basically nice smooth round screwdrivers for a loose fit. And then one by one, those pins and bolts are changed out with new hardware and installed and then torqued in place. The firewall install, that's probably 30 plus hours of work. The tire had gone underneath the airplane and the plane came to rest on the tire, and the firewall got wrinkled and some of the belly skins got wrinkled. So no repair there, they're replacements. So they're all brand new and lined up perfectly. So there's fuel lines, rigging that has to happen yet. Tail feathers got to get put back on and then rigged there also. So there's still quite a bit of final assembly, a bunch of the belly and skins and sidewall with the fuselage. The windshield was taken out to get access to the firewall. We left that out just so it wasn't in the way of putting the wings on, so that'll have to go back in. So there's still a big handful of pieces that go back on the plane yet. All in all, it's actually going very well. It's just a lot of disassembly and reassembly. It'll get multiple test flights when it's to that stage. It'll get ground run. The fuel system will get purged because it's completely open. So we'll go and we'll actually flush the fuel system, do a couple gascolator cleanings to make sure that no debris has gotten in any tanks or anything between the disassembly, the reassembly, and that kind of thing. There's no damage history going to be on this plane because all the parts are brand new replacement. Nothing is repaired. So in doing so, no one will really know the difference that we even touched this airplane if we didn't tell them that we worked on it, because everything is right back to factory specs, factory parts, factory painted. There's really, no better way to repair an airplane personally.
Pretty soon, the airplane will be good as new and flying again. And if all goes well, it'll be at Sun and Fun in a few months. And later this summer, we'll be giving it away to a lucky winner. It could be you.